Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So my name is Neeraj and I am from Bihar. Today is day 20 of my English speaking challenge, and today I will be practicing English by telling a story. The story is about a busy morning, a little messy, a little funny and very real. It's called Morning Chaos. The story is great for beginners as I have used very easy and small sentences, and you will learn some useful phrases from this story. You can listen and enjoy it like a story, or you can shadow with me. What you have to do, just listen, pause, and repeat after me. So, what are we waiting for? Let's practice together. The alarm rings at 8. Rahul wakes up late. He checks the time and gets scared. He runs to the bathroom. He brushes his teeth and washes his face. His hair is messy and his eyes look sleepy. But there is no time to fix anything. In the kitchen, he makes tea. He eats a quick toast. He keeps checking the clock again and again. Time is running fast. Rahul changes his clothes in a hurry. His wallet is under a notebook. His keys are near the TV. Everything is scattered. He takes his bag and opens the door. Then he stops. He checks his pocket. No wallet. Rahul rushes inside. He checks the sofa. He checks the table. Finally, he finds it under some papers. Downstairs, his car waits silently. Rahul starts the car. The car makes a sound but doesn't start. He tries again. Now it starts. On the main road, traffic is heavy. Cars are moving slowly. Bikes are honking. Rahul taps the steering. He checks the time again. He is worried. After a long, slow drive, Rahul reaches the office gate. He parks the car quickly. He locks the door and takes his bag. The morning chaos ends and the office day begins.